Alrighty, everything is folded and we're ready to go. Rudy, it's time to turn off your octopus show.
No, it's almost done, Mommy Maggie. Just a teeny little bit left.
Oh, nice try. I know that's a 2-hour show and we have not been here 2 hours.
Well, it feels like it.
Oh, come on. It's time to put your tablet away. We're going to meet Abby and Dad at the park to play games.
Oh, I need to go back. I missed what the octopus said.
Rudy, I know it's hard to stop watching, but the great thing is that when we pause the show, we can come back later to finish watching it, huh?
Well, I do love going back to my show later.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. I missed what he said again.
Okay. In that case, I guess I'll just put on this headband and start getting ready for all the fun we're gonna have today with Abby and Dad in the park! Yes! Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Gotta warm up for all the games we're gonna play.
Mommy Maggie, I'm still watching my show.
Oh, of course you are. I'm just getting loosey-goosey so that I can beat you down the slide at the park.
What did you say?
Oh, you heard me. I'm gonna go so fast down the slide and beat you.
Okay. No one beats me down the slide.
Yeah, but I've been getting loose, so I'm very ready for the slide.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'm very, very ready for the slide.
Oh, I don't know. I've been warming up while you've been watching your octopus show.
Nope. I'm ready now. And I'm gonna beat you and Abby and Daddy.
Oh, you think so, huh?
Yeah.
Well then, I guess we better get going, huh?
Yeah. And you know what?
What?
I'm going to beat you to the slide first.
What? Oh, you? I didn't see that coming. Hang on. I will be right